One attempt exam is done, and most of the students are thinking that what we should do at this point of time to get that 75% marks. In fact, even better than that 90% marks in board exams. So here are three things that you can do as a student to score that magical number. The first thing that you can do is go through last 10 years board exam papers. Yes, I know the syllabus has been changed a little bit, but you can skip those questions and see what kind of questions have there been from every chapter. This is a very important exercise because most of the times your this year's JEE paper will come from last year's paper only. So it is very important exercise that rather than preparing linearly, we should go and look into what kind of questions were asked in board from that specific chapter. Second very important thing that you can do at this point of time is write mock test papers. And I cannot emphasize this enough because most of the students have developed this habit of just solving objective questions. You do not have a habit of sitting for 3 hours and writing a subjective question paper. So the most important thing that you should learn at this point of time is write that 3-hour subjective exam. Knowledge largely will remain same as that is used in JEE mains or some other exam. But how to reorient that knowledge, how to write those steps to get the right amount of marks becomes very important, and that cannot be learned just by reading or going through textbook. It is very important that you find time, sit for 3 hours and write those mock test papers because it will give you an idea where you are losing marks, how to beef up that answer and get those extra marks. Third thing that you need to do as a student is revision. Most of the students will want that one chapter that I don't know, probably I should prepare that. But my advice is basically whatever you are doing, all of that is fine, but find some time to do revision. And in order to help you with that, Pragya is coming with a one-shot series for board exams. What we are going to do, we are going to make a 1-hour video in which we are going to take up those questions which have been asked from this chapter and discuss them thoroughly. So in 1 hour, you are able to revise that one chapter very effectively.